If there's an institution in government that is very welcoming and is looking forward to work with a revamped upper chamber, it is the lower house. In fact, no less than Speaker Martin Romualdez expressed support and eagerness to work with the new Senate President in creating and approving measures that align with the legislative agenda of the Marcos administration that benefits the Filipino people. Mela Les Moras has more.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. extended his congratulatory message and support to the new leadership of the Senate as he banks on the legislative credentials of newly installed Senate President Francis Escudero. In a statement, President Marcos Jr. expressed confidence that transformative laws aimed at achieving a common vision for a bagong Pilipinas will remain a priority under the leadership of SP Escudero. The chief executive also commended Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri for his outstanding performance as former Senate President. Earlier, House leaders also expressed support to the newly installed Senate President. According to House Speaker Martin Romualdez, he is confident the chances of furthering their legislative agenda looks even better and brighter under newly minted Senate President Francis Escudero. While for House Majority Leader Manix Dalipe, he also believes the remaining priority bills of the administration will also be passed very soon.
So hopefully yung rice tariffication law, amendments to the rice tariffication law, yung budget modernization bill, yung National Defense Act at yung amendments to the EPIRA law mapasa with the new Senate leadership.
But with the change of Senate leadership, some are wondering if lightning could strike twice like in the lower house. Some congressmen said,
malabo hong mangyari yan, no? You will see in the results of our voting, no? Those bills that we pass on third reading dito sa plenaryo ay bills that are administration sa priority bills, no? And because of the leadership of Speaker Romualdez, kumukuha ito ng mahigit 90% suporta mula ho sa members ng mababang kapulungan.
Isa sa mga patunay na kung saan maganda po ang liderato ni Speaker Martin Romualdez because some of the members of the 19th Congress has already shifted and transferred to Lakas CMD.
Mela Les Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.